Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting, whether you're using a cell phone or a computer. Let's get started. Choose how to join. You'll have different options depending on your device. Here's how to proceed. On your computer, first, open your email. Look for an invitation to join the meeting. This will contain a link to join. Click on the link that says Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. This will open a new window. Next, you should allow permissions to your camera and microphone. Click Allow so others in the meeting can see and hear you. Type your name in the box provided. This helps others in the meeting recognize you. Make sure to switch your camera and microphone on by clicking the switch next to them. Finally, click Join Now to enter the meeting and wait for the host to join. On your cell phone, open your email and look for an invitation to join the meeting. It will contain a link to join. Click on the link. This will open the Teams app if you have it installed. If you do not have it installed, you'll be prompted to download the app from your App Store. After the app is done installing, go back to your email and find the email invitation, and click on the link again to prompt the Teams app to open. Type your name in the box provided. This helps others in the meeting recognize you. Next, you should allow permissions for your camera and microphone. Click Allow so others in the meeting can see you. Make sure that your video and microphone are on by tapping on the camera and microphone icons on the screen. Finally, click Join Now to enter the meeting and wait for the host to join. If you encounter any issues, please check your internet connection and ensure your camera and microphone are working. If the problem persists, contact the meeting organizer for assistance. And that's it. Now you're ready to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great meeting.